Hi, my name's Jamie at Precision Oven Cleaning, and I wanted to just talk very quickly about one of the questions I often get asked on a weekly basis is how often should I clean my oven? The answer to that is depending how much you actually use the oven. So for example, this is a standard double oven, but if we look at the main oven section here, a typical family who use their oven, say, every day to prepare meals and then perhaps doing a roast on a Sunday, really it would need to be cleaned every 6 months or so, or 6 to 8 months, to maintain the standard of hygiene in the oven, so there's not high levels of grease and carbon, particularly around the base and around the side walls of the oven, and also in the back of the oven there's a fan and a fan plate which you can just about see at the back there. You will often get a high build-up of carbon behind that. So really, if you're using the oven every day and perhaps on the weekend to do roast, every 6 to 8 months. If you're using it slightly less, say 3 to 4 times a week to cook traditional meals, then once a year would be adequate for you. To try and prolong that period of when it needs cleaning is use an oven liner, which we sell at Precision Oven Cleaning. So these are slip into the bottom of the oven once it's nice and clean. Pop that in there. And then any spillages, so if you've made a beautiful homemade quiche, for example, which I can't cook, so it wouldn't be me, I just do the cleaning. But if that's spilt on the bottom, that can be removed, cleaned under the tap, and then popped back in. That concludes talking about how often the oven needs cleaning. Thanks for watching.